The SQL Profiler module will most likely save you when it comes to tracking down the slowdowns on your PrestaShop store. It identifies with great precision the SQL queries that are slowing down specific pages or actions, both in the front office and the back office. PrestaShop does include a profiling mode, but it simply dumps an enormous amount of information directly on the page you are testing. In the end, it is unreadable. Nothing is highlighted. And worst of all, you cannot analyze AJAX requests, such as when adding a product to the cart. There is another issue. Enabling this mode on a production store is risky. You could slow down the site, or even expose sensitive profiling data to visitors. And yet, production servers are exactly where you need to test, because slowdowns rarely occur on a test environment. Fortunately, the SQL Profiler module solves all of this. You can activate it safely, with zero impact on visitors, even on a production server. Using it is very simple. Once activated, just browse the pages or perform the actions that feel slow. Then return to the tool. You will see all the HTTP requests that were executed. Open the first level to view the slowest SQL queries, with suspicious ones clearly highlighted. Open the second level to access all the detailed information you need to fix the issue. It is a simple, powerful, and incredibly effective tool for pinpointing exactly what is slowing down your store. And if you want even more performance, SQL Profiler is also included in SpeedPack, our all-in-one solution that brings together 4 essential modules. Page Cache Ultimate, which reduces response times by up to 90% thanks to an ultra-fast static cache. AVIF and WebP image compression to speed up image loading with up to 90% weight reduction and no visible loss of quality. SQL Profiler, the very module we just described, allowing you to detect slowdowns with high precision on both the front and back office, even in production, with zero impact for visitors. Dr. Pro, which performs more than 500 in-depth checks and automatically repairs your store to ensure stability, cleanliness, and maximum performance. Everything is developed in France, with fast and reliable support. Do not wait. Choose JPresta and start optimizing your store today.